babies. What are you doing? Those boxes are a lot heavier than they seem. They're just full of metal, so a little out of breath. Last night I went ahead and put together 2 of the garden beds and they went really well. I was just excited and kind of wanted to see how the process was gonna go. So this morning I'm gonna get the rest of these 6 put up and we're just gonna set them outside where the garden is gonna go, and so that way they're built and they're ready to move around whenever the snow melts. Let's put them together because we got a lot to do. Now I would be doing this outside, but it is blustery and snowy and a little bit of rainy out there. And these are the 2 that I put together last night. They went together real easy. It'd be a lot easier if I could just put them together outside, but that is not happening for me today. So we're just gonna put them together inside and then drag them out here and then go throw them up on that garden space. There we have it, that one bed here. So it's 4 foot across and 8 foot long with 2 little supports, which is cool. So when you fill it with your soil and whatever, the sides won't bow out and the bed won't collapse on you. Yeah, so that probably took me about 15 minutes or so. The hardest part is just getting all of these screws started. There's 40 of these screws to do this whole bed, and it takes a lot of dexterity. There's that, 3 beds down and 5 to go. very glad I was not putting the beds together out there because we have got a nasty hailstorm happening. There's been a bunch of thunder. Goodness. Holy smokes. The storm's going crazy. I just had to go outside and check the chickens because when I looked out the window as this hail and thunder was happening, I saw that the wind had ripped down their electric netting. So thankfully it was just I put it right back in the ground, but this storm just got really crazy for a second. I mean, giant thunder booms, and I mean, it's kind of calmed down for a second here, but it got real nasty there for a second. It stopped absolutely storming, and now it's just a really nice, soft, gentle snow. And it's actually very peaceful.